WoW Health gives you access to over 250,000 dental practices for discounted service. You can either search for local dentists or look up dental procedures, and then see a listing of local dentists. Tap on Make Appointment and follow the instructions by calling the dental office, identifying yourself as a One Dental member and making the appointment. You should ask for the price when making the appointment to make sure that there is no confusion at the time of appointment. You will pay the office at the time of service. You can access the same information by going to your membership section in the browser. Click on View Details. Scroll to the Dental section and click Make Appointment. Please note that you can also download and print your dental membership card. You can now pick the dental service and then click on See Dentists near you to get a list of dentists in your area. Now click on Make Appointment and follow the instructions to call the office and make your appointment. Thank you for allowing us to be a part of your healthcare journey.